my name is Catherine and I'm a craftaholic. Welcome to my backyard and my channel. Hi everyone, I've got happy mail. Yes. Again, I won a prize on Reggie's live game show that I think was held for her 3K subscriber milestone, but by now she's already at almost 4K, which is awesome. So congratulations, Reggie. I actually won 2 prizes that day. I won two patterns by Lacey Horton, which I am going to make and show off. But as they are hats, I am not so motivated to do them right now. But I will make them. And the other one was this wonderful prize, and I so wanted it, and I want it. It's crazy, I just want it, and I wanted just to share it with you. Can you see what the theme was, and can you understand why I needed it? Yes, it's a cat themed surprise package. Well, not surprise, but gift package. Look at the beautiful stickers. They're puffy. They're puffy stickers. I love them. I love stickers. And look at this box full of goodies. Awesome. There is this, yeah, they are so cute. I make cozy loveys with them. It's a ball of yarn with a little plushie. They're so cute. You can make a hat with them as well. They're so cute. There's this, oh, look at that. Look at your little cutie one. It's a pen. It's a pink pen. It's a pink panther. What else? Ooh, bag frizzies. I love me some bad bombs. Love it. And they're purple, purple, purple. Ah, the cutest sticky notes. Actually, these are like really helpful when you're doing patterns and that you want to follow along. I love using those for that. What else? Oh, a nail file and a hand cream, strawberry vanilla. Yummy. So cute. Where does she get it? Another. That's a sticker, but it looks like one of those patches that your mom used to sew on your jeans when you fell a hole in them. Look, this is so adorable. I need to get me like a solid black notebook and put that on front. This is so cute. It's a Meow Mate. And then we're almost done, but definitely saving the best for last. Look at this beautiful hook pouch. Look at it. That fabric is just fantastic. It is so cute. And I always lose my hooks. I'm always looking for my hooks. This will come in so handy. And it will also go very well with this amazing project bag. Look at that. Now tell me this is not meant to be mine. It is painting, it is cats, it's a project bag. It is beautiful. I am in love with it. I am absolutely and totally and utterly in love with it. And this will be put to good use really fast. Ugh, I am so in love with this bag. And it's really nice quality. I wish I could tell you that I remembered who made it. I don't remember. But I love it. My sweet, 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 sweet Reggie, thank you so much again. Just being part of those amazing lives at the university and the game shows is a present enough, but I am always super excited when I win something. And we always have such amazing prizes. Thank you so much again, my friend. And again, congratulations on your almost 4K as well. My sweet viewers, I hope you enjoyed unpacking this beautiful box with me, and I hope to see you soon, whether it is on my channel or on the university. Talk to you all later. Bye.